What's going on, traders? Welcome back to Daily Recap. Today was a good day. I made 3 trades, and I don't know about you guys, but today I felt confident in reading the price action correctly. Well, I shouldn't say correctly, but visually it was very simple and clear to me, comparing to the other past few days. It was just very cloudy, so I'm pretty excited about today. Solid day today. Anyways, let's go over the trades. So when I came in today around 8 o'clock, this candle was already looking bearish. So to me, I thought that we have some kind of resistance up here, maybe like some kind of bounce, and then maybe a retest of these previous lows. But on 2000 tick chart, I did mark up the key level 3689-ish, around that area. But actually, to me, it's actually more like this, and that makes most sense just because we had a bounce off this level. So that was a misread on my part, which is whatever, no big deal. But I think this right here makes more sense to me. But yeah, so where do we go from here? I'm really not sure. Maybe possible range day tomorrow, just to kind of figure out what the price is gonna do. I think we need more price actions to see where it's going, but maybe we gotta balance up this resistance again, or maybe we just break through and go to test the other side of the trend channel. But for now, I don't know. We need more price action, but I'm guessing we're gonna have a range day tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, so when I came in 8 o'clock, I saw this nice beautiful red downtrend channel, and I did have, at the time, we had a break and a new low in place. That's why I said, price is in downtrend. As of now, breaking a new low in place, we might have a second leg down, basically a measured move from here all the way down, from here to over here. And as you can see, one's got a perfect measured move. And I said look for short key entry point, and then mixed trading possible today, and that's what I said. 3689 is key level, which is actually higher. It was around 3730-ish, 3732, something like that. So either way, the first opportunity I saw to trade was this failed second entry long. Now, I didn't have this bigger trend channel drawn just yet. I just had this basically downtrend in a range. So if you're looking at the short-term trend channels, it would basically option working up, break a new high. And since this is already played out, I think it's safe to go short here. New high, first entry long, second entry long, failure. You see how it ticked just one tick above that previous bar and then reversed. So solid trade in my opinion. It did move fast, so you gotta move quick, but good trade. And then of course you have a downtrend working down, break, new low played out, and I saw this support here, basically triple test, nice good signal bar. Again, when you're in range, right, you don't really pay attention too much to the EMA, and I don't want to say it doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter, but it could be less forgiving, I guess you say. So to me, when I trade in ranges, to me the midline is more important than the EMA. So that's my opinion again. But you can see how we try to go lower once, twice, 3 times, and never happened. So price reversed, and you have to be really quick on this too, because the price basically it actually did gap. It never came back. It just went straight up. So you gotta be quick on that. And then you do get basically uptrend channel working up, break new high. And you get a lower high here, and that kind of confirms this trend channel here, and that's when I drew it off these highs right here. Now I just drew the trend line. I didn't draw the trend channel just yet. So I just had this line working like this. So lower high, enough room to the EMA, break a new high played out. So solid trade. And then at 9 o'clock we had some news. And this, my first trade of the day, it was not according to the pat rules or anything like that. I just basically saw it as a breakout pullback short, and then basically support turning to resistance. And you can see how basically played out. So again, I think it was more of a gut trade than anything, and I actually let it run. I think I got a couple points on that. I think I got 2 points on that, yeah. And basically I had my trend channel working like this, but some people had it differently. And of course you get a break and new low in place, and you get the second entry short here. But the problem with this is it's from, on my chart, it's an inside bar, and to me the signal bar looks very neutral, matching highs. I don't like that, especially after break and new low already played out. And some people have matching lows and highs, so it's very iffy bar. And you could also play it like this as well, right? But either way, you know, that signal bar is just not good in my opinion. Depends how, again, it doesn't matter how you played it, the signal bar is signal bar, so it, you know, it's not going to change how you draw trend channel. But you know, you can also, you know, see it as a spike in the channel, maybe something like this. You know, there's other ways you can draw it, but again, it doesn't matter how you look at it, the signal bar is not good in my opinion. And of course, made a new low. I was looking actually for a triple test to go to the downside. I mean, I guess you can consider this a triple test, but if it ticked higher, I probably would have marked it. But big bar, it's, you know, 17 ticks, so especially with the break and new low played out, I don't know, a little iffy. But you notice how we have this huge downtrend basically, you know, so you're trading with overall trend. So again, depends how you saw it. If you're brave, you can take this. And of course, price continues working down, and then basically I had my bottom of the channel just like this. Actually, first it was like this, and that was fitting in nicely. But then I saw this price action right here. I had to change it basically to this, and you get a little bit of overshoot here, which brings me to my second trade of the day. You do get a failed second entry short here. So notice new low, first entry short, second entry short. I'm sorry, new low, first entry short, second entry short failure. So you are, I mean, it's a solid trade. You are thinking that price should come back to the other side of the trend channel. Solid trade in my opinion. You are looking to price test these highs or test this trend channel up top. But the problem with this is I don't, you know, you're going long into this big downtrend, so it is aggressive, risky, but it works out. And basically a break and a new high, basically, almost, not really, but equal highs. And that's my second trade of the day. Basically failed second entry long, new high, first entry long, second entry long failure. It is a little iffy. I think I got lucky on a trade, to be honest with you, but I think I read that right. You know, break, new high, with overall bearish downtrend. You know, the only problem is, like I said, you're looking for the price to test these highs, is this trend channel right here. But not a perfect trade, but I liked it at the time, so I got one point out of that. And of course, price comes back down, you have a break and a new low played out, and of course you get a triple test here, 1 2 3. It's a bit aggressive, but you are trading with overall trend, enough room to the EMA. Solid in my opinion. The signal bar is not that perfect, but it works. And price makes basically price doesn't come back to test these lows, and you can see that they completed the measure move here. So again, my thinking was, okay, price needs to come back up to this trend channel, either reverse or break and then make a new low. And basically that's exactly what happened here. So price broke out, and you do have a nice uptrend channel working up, break new high, and you do have a trend, you have a short-term trend channel working down, break, you're expecting a new low. You do get a second entry short here, but the signal bar for second entry short is not that great. But you also get a failed second entry long as well. So you have first entry long, second entry long failure. And the idea is, again, you have a break of a bigger trend channel, you're expecting a retest of the lows. So that's why I thought it was pretty solid trade in my opinion. So when this happened, when this swing happened, that's when I drew my trend channel up like this. And I just had it on there for reference, and I was actually looking for a higher low somewhere here. We never get it, which is unfortunate, but then you do have a basically uptrend working up, break new high, play it out, and then price goes back down. Basically, you don't have this bigger trend channel just yet, so I drew this trend channel whenever this swing low happened, and you finally get a break and a new low, and then you also get a failed signature short here. That was my second trade of the day. So new low, first signature short failure. You can see that the downtrend played out, break new low, and kind of confirms the trend channel as well. Solid trade in my opinion. I like that, easy money. Price shoots up, doesn't really test the trend channel up here, comes back down. I was basically looking for the same setup here, same as here. Don't really get it. I was hoping for a higher low or something like that. Never get it either. So no setups here, no trades here. New high for signature long failure. Problem with this is you go in short into this uptrend, and to me that's a pretty solid uptrend if you ask me. I mean, you do get enough room to the EMA, so I don't know. It's risky. It is what it is. How many ticks is that? 11. So not a big risk, but still a risk. And the price reverses. Don't really see anything here that I like, and you finally get a break of this bigger trend channel. So you finally get a break of this green channel, and at the time I actually had my shorter trend channel like this. So I basically break and then you low in place. And that's when I saw this signature short as well. The problem with this is it's a little bit, the EMA is a little bit flat, and I was a little hesitant to go short here, but I mean long here, but it worked out. And again, you are expecting a new high from this bigger trend channel, so I do have a overnight highs marked here, so that was my possible target for the trend channel. So, and when you're trading like this, right, this is what you see, right? You have a break and a new low, and you have, you know, basically a new low for such a short failure. So again, the EMA is flat, but I like that trade. So once I saw this swing, I actually adjusted a little bit. Trend channel just like this. So now you have a break and a new low in place. Or you can use another short-term trend channel, that's fine. Break a new low. You get another failed signature short, but the problem with this is the EMA is super flat. A lot of stack bars, congestion. I don't like this. And after that, you finally get a signature long and a failed signature short as well. And this is probably a better trade in my opinion. You have enough room to recent highs. You're still expecting a new high from this trend channel, so all the downtrends played out. A solid trade in my opinion. And yeah, that's how I saw it. I was pretty excited about today. I mean, I felt like, to me, the price action was pretty clear compared to, like I said, a few days ago, where the price action was just absolute garble in my opinion. But yeah, I finally made a new high, and that's it. I stopped trading up to pretty much 1 o'clock, and yeah, good day, solid day. Hopefully tomorrow continue the same process and the same clear visual price action. I wish every day was like this, but you know, wishful thinking. Anyways, that's it for me. Hope you guys had a good trading day. Hopefully you were green. Again, I'll be back tomorrow, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.